Okay, so I thought today maybe I will use this white lid primer from Smashbox. Yeah, maybe to brighten up some eyeshadow. Let's see. I didn't really decide what's going down with this look. But as you can see, that gives the lid quite a nice and bright base. Today I thought to use this Risk Taker from MAC, from the MAC Girl collection, that I also got as a gift of purchase. And this one is the one with the more, I don't know, there's also neutral colors like bronze and a gold and khaki, but also some pink and orangey colors. So I thought maybe I would go for more of these colors here, because I did a lot of those kind of looks lately. So maybe I should try and stay away from the pinks and the peaches for a while. So I will start with this kind of plum and see if I can get that in the crease, and if it will go together, I don't know, but I will just give it a go. Hopefully it won't get too stuck now on this primer, because I don't like setting the primers and then, you know, nothing shows up the way I want it to, at least, you know. So yeah, that's kind of a nice cool toned crease color. This one seems to be a matte as well, so I will just blend it up with that one. So this one is Birotteau Green, and it's from the Kajal Ink Artist from Shiseido. I will take some of that, I think, because, you know, I have the green here, but it doesn't seem, you know, I want it to be greener. I will just use it a little bit, at least on the outer corner. I really like those pencils, but I also need to make sure that I kind of blend it out pretty fast, I think. So I will do something like this. I'm trying to blend it out in the outer parts at least. Okay, so I use this one also to line the inner, you know, part of the eye. And yeah, I waited a little bit too much here to blend it. It's also because of the primer. It gets really stuck to this primer. Okay, so smaller brush, and now I'm taking this khaki green here. Of course, now since I have this moss kind of green under, probably won't look the same as before, you know. So I will just put it on top, like that, and go over also the line that I made with it, kind of to make it go lighter. So the color of this one is like that, you know, of this khaki. So it's much more of a browner color than what I got now on my eye because of this Kajal, you know. It made it much stronger than what it's here, like that. So I think I will take this plum color again and go under eye with it, with a smaller brush like that. But here I should clean first. So I will do this eye and I will clean the other eye a bit, because I got too much on it, too far out. Might have been here too, but I'm a little bit trying to cheat this eye at least. Now I really want to try this one, this light sheen shimmer color. So I will take that one on a flat brush and probably go in with it here, because why not? Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Those, I don't know what they call them here. It's not a frost, is it? Or maybe it is, but they are really pigmented and smooth. Like, you know, I'm just putting it with the brush and it looks really nice like that. So if you think, try not to use the fingers for it, to make it smooth looking, you know. It goes really well like this with the brush. It's a synthetic brush this time. I'm letting it go over to this green here a bit too. And yeah, a little bit up here, like that. That was a little bit too much up there, but hey, never mind. I lost control of the brush. Smaller brush like that, and the same shimmer color here as well. Because why not? Some fallout, I tend to forget to tap the brush. So yeah, since I don't have foundation on when I do my makeup usually, my eye makeup, so I tend to forget, you know, things that other people remember, like tapping your brush and stuff like that. This one in the inner corner will be enough. I'm not so sure because these are really sheer, but I will give it a go. So I will use another brush and I will take this lightest color, which is a highlighter. These are very sheer in these palettes though, so I don't know if it's gonna be like have enough payoff for the inner corner the way I like it, but I will try. See, you put them on, it's like, it's very sheer. I don't even know if the camera picks it up. Like this is so much stronger, you know. It's there, you know, but it's not, doesn't have a lot of payoff. But maybe it's okay because this one is so shimmery. And since I have the light primer under, you know, it kind of brightens it up anyway, this whole corner. I think I will take again this Kajal from Shiseido and just add a tiny bit if I can, like really close to the lashes. So I'm taking this one. And I will see what it looks like here. I think it's pretty. Like I don't take it all the way inside, I take it kind of under here. And then I leave this, you know, beginning lighter. Okay, so I will keep on going with the brows and everything more boring. And be back for the skin. Okay, so this foundation from Catrice, HD liquid coverage. It definitely oxidizes quite a bit. And it's the lightest color, number 10. And I don't have the lightest skin, so... So I had to go inside here with the lighter concealer. Like here and here, like kind of in the middle a bit and under the eyes for sure. Like of course over there I didn't put any foundation, but the difference in the skin tone is like too big. And here I didn't put enough and I'm still red. It's so thin the skin here that it's not very nice to put anything over there except for a little bit of a powder foundation, compact powder foundation. But I thought now I won't do it now. So because I already put some of this and it's like too much. Anyways, so now back to something fun in the skin and try to overlook the redness here. I know it's pretty gross. Yeah. Anyways, it stays a bit sticky but not much. But I don't think I can put anything else over my skin unless I powder it a bit, or it will become splotchy and, you know, grab onto the skin. I will use this matte, All About Matte from Essence, fixing powder, what they call it, fixing compact powder, and just go over a bit. I will take from this contour and highlighting palette for medium to dark skin, and what I really like here is, like, I like all of it, but this one is really nice as a blush. So I will use that one as a blush. Just put a little bit color, but maybe not too much. You see, it's a really pretty. It has a slight sheen to it, but it's very, very subtle. Like all this upper row has a slight sheen, and those are completely matte. And they're gorgeous on the eyes as well, like really pretty colors for the eyes. Now, I think I will start with this one as a highlighter, but I will continue with something else because I don't think this one is enough for me. You know, the way I put highlighter on. It's like, it's fine, but when you like me and you like a bit more, it's actually really pretty. You know? Yeah. It's not like it doesn't here. It gives more than what I saw here, actually. I think these that in these small palettes could be used a little bit like an all over glow if you have a really fluffy brush and you just put them over as a, you know, lightly. I think so. But I will take this Ofra palette and I will use, I think, what is this one called? I will use this Star Island from here, from this Ofra palette. The highlights, same brush, and just go like that a bit here. Just a little extra. Just a little extra. I mean, not a lot, just a little. I will use the same color from here. I will use it a little bit in here, like that. So Mackie Dervish on the lips, one of my favorite colors, and for a look with the orangey peach, because it does have those kind of colors with a little bit of a gold sheen into it. Really pretty color. So on the Dervish I took a semi-nude from Shiseido, which is a color like that. This one here, a little bit of a darker peachy brown like that. And in the middle I will use another one also from Shiseido. It's called Thigh High. And it's a little bit lighter. Quite a lot lighter. In the middle. Nice dry spots here. So I did a peeling to my skin. I didn't take care of my lips. Great. I really like that combo. And those are matte, but really comfortable matte. Yeah. I will use this Guerlain Meteorites. Golden tones like that. I think it was a limited edition. I mean, they all play around with this limited edition thing, but I think they're pretty much the same on the skin, these. So, you can just use the permanent range of it. I did shake it a bit so I can get some loose, you know, product into my brush. And then I will just go over everything. And I use one of the Guerlain brushes that also came as a gift of purchase once. And now they're going all over the place. That's also what they like doing. This one is so tiny and it's a little bit annoying, I think. They made quite a poor packaging this time. I think it's not this time, but I don't know when it was, but pretty cheap packaging if you think Guerlain. And less product inside, and also even their own brush you can hardly fit inside, so kind of silly thing. Product is pretty, but you know, the way they give it to you, they could definitely give you some more pearls, I think. Okay, so I managed to make it pretty shimmery again. With all that I was saying, that it's not that strong and it's, you know, very invisible. There it is. So I have to say, the matte lipsticks from Shiseido are very comfortable as well. Like, I like the MAC ones, but these are really good as well. Anyways, a little look with some green colors today. And yeah, I don't think it's very usual or common for people to wear green eyeshadow. Maybe it was before, but if you know, use it just a little bit like that. Like, it's not in your face. There's colors that, like purple for instance, it's much stronger than this, I think. Like, it's much more in your face. Doesn't mean it's not pretty, but you can see it more than a green and you know, that goes inside kind of with the bronzy colors a bit. So yeah, pretty easy to use in my opinion. A green, a moss green like that, or a khaki, of course, because there's a lot of yellow and brown in a khaki. But you know, since the pencil is there, it made it a little bit stronger, but I still like it. So thanks again for watching.